welcome to our channel BWC, which is Bountiful Wealth Creations. And we are SEBI registered advisors. And in this channel, we will be explaining about the stock market concepts using some fundamental analysis. If you are an active investor in the Indian stock market or an active trader in currency pairs, and this is a channel for you. We will be providing stock suggestions only to the retail investors who seeks to build wealth in longer terms, and it should be minimum of 5 years. And we have taken this initiative to provide insights about stocks to those who are really interested in building their wealth gradually. And for this wealth creation process, a person must have more patience rather than knowledge. And if you have a goal to build wealth for your future generations or to build wealth for your retirement life, and this is a channel for you. Disclaimer: though we are SEBI registered advisors, we strongly recommend everyone to have a suggestion from their financial advisors before making any investments in stocks. And today we are going to talk about the stocks related to pharmaceutical and automobile industries. As many of you are aware that Indian pharmaceutical industries plays a predominant role in the global markets. Making an investment in this will provide a greater return in future. The Indian pharmaceutical industries ranks at 3rd place in production by volume, and it ranks at 14th place by value. India is the largest provider of generic medicines at global markets and leading vaccine manufacturers at global markets. The Indian pharmaceutical industries offer 60,000 generic brands across 60 therapeutic categories, and the growth rate would be 10 to 12%. And we can expect a reach by $65 billion by 2024 and $120 to $130 billion by 2030. And there will be an increase in export growth by 18.7% every year. And the first stock we are going to discuss about a company called EXIDE. So, to give background about the company EXIDE, the company that we are speaking about is located at USA, Europe, Japan and Africa. And EXIDE has workforce of more than 9,000 employees. And EXIDE is actively involved in manufacturing pharmaceutical ingredients, formulations and animal health products to cosmeceutical. And coming to the parameters related to the company EXIDE, EPS of the company is 46.58 and P of the company is 7.77 and sector P of the company is 35.73 and book value per share is 145.83 and price to book is 2.49 and market capitalization is 37,033 crore and return on equity is 16.2. So as we could see, like P is less than sector P, it's a good sign to acquire stocks related to EXIDE. And we can start acquiring stocks gradually rather than investing a huge amount at a time. So, and we have the historical data of the company EXIDE. And when we are speaking about revenue, the company revenue has increased gradually from 2017 to 2021. And we could see net profit. When speaking about net profit, there is a gradual increase from 2017 to 2021. We could see in 2017 it was 1,485 and in 2021 it is 2,137. So coming to EPS, so in 2017 it was 14.53 and in 2021 it is 20.84. So it's a gradual increase of EPS of the company EXIDE. And coming to BVPS, which is book value per share, there is a gradual increase from 2017 to 2021. And when we are speaking about debt to equity, which is outstandings of the company, has decreased drastically from 2017 to 2021. We could see it has decreased from 0.7 to 0.28 and it's a good sign where we can acquire stocks of the company EXIDE. So speaking about opportunities, we could see like 46.24% is away from 52 week high, which means the stock ranges in the last year could be like less value is 331.55 and high is 673.70. So, and we recommend everyone to buy stocks if the stock value is less than 400. And coming to mutual funds, The mutual funds have increased holdings from 4.85% to 5.55% in 2022 March quarter. And speaking about the debt to equity, which is outstandings of the company, it has reduced from 0.68 to 0.28. It's a good sign of the company's IDAS. So based on these opportunities, so all these three inputs gives a greater idea about the company's IDAS, and all these three items are a positive sign where we can acquire the stocks gradually. So speaking about CAGR growth, the revenue is 8.0% and net profit is 6.3% and operating profit is 5.5%. And in the pictorial representation, we could see like the promoter holds the maximum share of the company, which is 74.88%, and FII holds 2.53% and DII which holds 12.9% and public holds around 9.69% of the shares. So the name of the company is Zydus, dedicated to life. Moving on to the second stock. So the company we are going to speak about is EXIDE. So the company EXIDE manufactures widest range of storage batteries in the world. In India, the market company EXIDE markets the products under EXIDE, SF, Sonic and Standard brands. In international market, they sell products under Dynex, Index and Sonic brands. So EXIDE is also involved in manufacturing high-end submarine batteries. So the Indian electric vehicle market has valued EXIDE as $1,434 billion in 2021, and it is expected to reach $15,397 billion by 2027. So EXIDE has its subsidiaries in the UK, Singapore and Sri Lanka, and its exports span in 45 countries across 6 continents. So when coming to the parameters of the company, so EPS of the company is 8.58 and PE of the company is 18.04 and sector PE of the company is 17.13 and book value per share is 86.10 and price to book is 1.80 and market capitalization is 13,149 crore and return on equity is 11.3. So here we could see like PE and sector PE is more or less equivalent. So it's a good sign to where we can acquire stocks related to EXIDE in the market. Coming to the historical data of the company EXIDE. So here we could see the revenue has increased drastically from 2017 to 2021. And net profit, we could see there is some stabilization in 2017 and 2021. And speaking about BVPS, which is book value per share, in 2017 it was 59.39 and in 2021 it is 86.1. So coming to EPS, so it got increased gradually from 2017 to 2021. In 2017 it was 9.42 and in 2021 it is 9.53. Speaking about debt to equity, which is outstandings of the company. So in 2017 it was 0.04% and in 2021 it is 0.02%. So it got decreased drastically from 2017 to 2021. So speaking about opportunities of the company, it is 24.43% away from 52-week high. So stock ranges in the last year was 139.3 was the least value and 204.90 was the highest value. So we can start acquiring the stocks if it is less than 180. So coming to the opportunities, FII and FPI have increased holdings from 9.63% to 10.13% in March 2022 quarter. So the number of FII and FPI investors increased from 2016 to 226 in March 2022 quarter. So coming to CGR growth for the past 3 years, so the revenue has increased to 6.1% and the net profit is 5.4% and operating profit is 4.2%. So in the below pie chart, we can see like shareholders contributions. So promoter is holding 45.99% of the share and FII holds around 10.13% and DII holds around 19.17% and public holds 24.71% of the shares. Since EXIDE is based on electric vehicle industry, so it's a very good opportunity to acquire stocks in this industry. So the name of the company is EXIDE Industries Limited, and thank you everyone. and we are very bullish about these two stocks, and we recommend everyone to acquire stocks gradually using the excess amount rather than using the amount which are planned for other expenses. Since Exide and Zydus have their maximum revenue based on their exports, it's a great stock to acquire. The Indian currency might be devalued in the future based on certain reasons. These stocks will yield a greater return, and we would like to end this video with a quote: money is made by sitting and not by trading. Thanks for watching our channel. So happy investing for brightful future, and please leave your comments or questions in the comment box and we'll respond at the earliest.